Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from P block elements. Okay. First question, the increasing order of reducing power of the halogen acid is. Options are given here. In this case, as the size of the halogen atom increases, the bond strength of HX bond decreases, so tendency to give hydrogen increases, resulting in increase in the reducing power. So the increasing order is HF less than HCl, HCl less than HBr, HBr less than HI. So our option A. Second question, helium is preferred to be used in balloons instead of hydrogen because it is. Options are A. Incombustible, B. Lighter than hydrogen, C. More abundant than hydrogen, D. Non-polarizable. Helium gas is heavier than hydrogen gas, but it is preferred over hydrogen gas because hydrogen gas is highly inflammable while helium is incombustible. So our option A. Then third question, partial hydrolysis of XeF4 gives. Options are XeO3, XeOF2, XeOF4, XeF2. XeF4 plus H2O gives XeOF2 plus 2HF. On partial hydrolysis of XeF4 gives XeOF2. So our option is B. Fourth question, the formation of O2 plus PtF6 minus is the basis for the formation of first xenon compound. This is because options are A. O2 and Xe have different sizes. Option B. Both O2 and Xe are gases. C. O2 and Xe have comparable electronegativities. D. O2 and Xe have comparable ionization enthalpies. The first ionization energy of xenon is quite close to that of dioxin. The molecular diameters of xenon and dioxin are almost identical based on the above similarities. Bartlett suggested that since oxen combines with the PtF6, so xenon should also form similar compounds with the PtF6. So our option is D. O2 and Xe have comparable ionization enthalpies. Then fifth question, when chlorine reacts with cold and dilute solution of sodium hydroxide, it forms. Options are Cl minus and ClO minus, Cl minus and ClO2 minus, Cl minus and ClO3 minus, Cl minus and ClO4 minus. When chlorine reacts with the cold dilute solution of sodium hydroxide, the following reaction takes place. 2NaOH plus Cl2 gives NaCl plus NaClO plus H2O. Okay, here the product Cl minus and ClO minus. Hence the products are Cl minus and ClO minus. So our option is A. Then sixth question, the set with correct order of acidity is. Options are given here. The acid character of the oxoacids increases with increase in the oxidation number of halogen atoms. So our option is A. HClO less than HClO2, which is less than HClO3, which is less than HClO4. Then seventh question, fluorine differs from rest of the halogens in some of its properties. This is due to. Options are A. Its smaller size and high electronegativity, B. Lack of d orbitals, C. Low bond dissociation energy, D. All of these. Fluorine differs from the rest of the halogens in some of its properties. This is due to lack of d orbitals. So our option is B. Then 8th question, in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process, Tyndall box is used to convert SO2 to SO3, test the presence of dust particles, filter dust particles, remove impurities. The manufacture sulfuric acid by contact process. Tyndall box is used to test the presence of dust particles. So our option is B. The ninth question. The boiling point of hydrides of group 16 are in the order. Options are given here. The boiling point of the hydrides of group 16 is directly proportional to the van der Waals forces. As we go down the group, the size of the atom increases and hence the strength of van der Waals force increases. Thus the boiling point increases down the group. So our option C, H2O greater than H2T, which is greater than H2ESC, which is greater than H2ES. Then 10th question, H2S is more acidic than H2O because oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. B. Atomic number of sulfur is higher than oxygen. C. HS bond dissociation energy is less as compared to HO bond. D. HO bond dissociation energy is less also compared to HS bond. H2S is more acidic than H2O because HS bond dissociation energy is less as compared to HO bond. So our option is C. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining MCQ questions we will discuss in the next section. Okay, bye.